And we're back with another knife review. Today it's going to be the WE Model 037. It is designed by Kellen Bogardus. We'll start off by giving you the specs on the blade. It is 9 inches overall. The blade length is 4 inches. Cutting edge is a little less at about 3.5 once you subtract the choil. Steel is Bowler M390. That makes the hardness about 59, maybe 60 on the Rockwell scale. It is a drop point style blade. Has a flat grind. Bead blasted finish. Plain edge. The handle length is just a little under 5 inches at 4.93. The handle material is titanium. The pocket clip is also titanium. It is a frame lock. It's a manual flipper, and this one of course comes in blue, and there's 2 others that are available. I mentioned that the titanium is 6AL4V on the handle and the pocket clip. It has a ceramic ball bearing pivot, so that makes for a smooth deployment. Of course, at this price point, we would expect an almost perfect knife with no blade play whatsoever. And of course, that's what you're going to get. This knife is $278 on our website. You will see also that it has the flow-through chassis. So it's easy to take this knife apart if you wish. It also has a spacer at the bottom, barrel spacer, small one. Now we went over almost all the specs. We can go over how it cuts. We'll start off with a little paracord here. Of course, this should be no problem for it. Cuts right through. We'll do a pullback cut here, and it cuts right through. We'll bring over some burlap, and we'll twist it up so it's nice and tight here. So we're going to cut multiple layers. As you can see, it cuts right through. We'll bring over some cardboard. We'll cut from the tip of the blade to the back and then back to the front. As you can see, it cuts smoothly. Well, it's got a nice piercing action to it. You can kind of cut effortlessly. Been doing that a lot lately. So this is a tip-up carry, and it's for a right-hand user. The pocket clip is not reversible. Of course, being it's made by WE, of course it's made in China. I think I mentioned that Kellen Bogardus is the designer of this knife. It does have a little jimping on top behind this blade design. It helps keep your finger in place, and the flipper protrudes nicely to hold your finger. And at 9 inches, you can see that how that fits my hand. Has a nice little design here on the handle, and of course the WE emblem over the pivot. So once again, this was the WE 037 flipper model with M390 bowler steel. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We post knife reviews daily, as well as lots of giveaways. I think we have one coming up very soon. If you're watching on YouTube, check out our weekly show, as well as our 5-minute reviews and our quick 1-minute reviews, where you can get a glimpse of a knife you may be interested in. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.